Lake Clark National Park and Preserve is more than a lake. It is a rich, intact, ecological and cultural landscape located on the Alaska Peninsula in southwest Alaska. The park and preserve spans over 4 million acres and is larger than the size of Connecticut and Rhode Island combined. Lake Clark was created by the landmark 1980 Alaska National Interest Lands Conservation Act. This act protects Alaska's wildlands and maintains traditional hunting, fishing, and foraging activities that people have engaged in since before the designation of many Alaska national parks. In this realm without roads, local people are inspired and sustained by the land and water. The park's resources support deep cultural and spiritual connections for the Dena'ina Athabascan people who have called Lake Clark home for thousands of years. Another reason for the creation of the park and preserve was to protect the spawning and rearing habitat at the headwaters of the Bristol Bay sockeye salmon fishery. Each year, salmon return from the ocean to the creeks where they hatched to spawn and die. Their bodies feed ocean-derived nutrients to wildlife, humans, and the land. Here, rolling tundra and boreal forests are intersected by the Chigmit and Neocola Mountains. The Neocolas stand among snowy giants, a part of the mighty Alaska Range, which reaches north to the highest peaks on the continent. The Chigmits rise at the head of the Aleutian Range, a complex of glacier-topped mountains that stretch south and west to the far reaches of the state. 2 active volcanoes, Iliamna and Redoubt, tower above the Chigmit Mountains. East of the mountains is a 123-mile expanse of wild coastline, where enormous ocean tides feed marine nutrients into ribbons of estuaries and salt marshes. In the spring and summer, brown bears take advantage of the abundant food resources available in these intertidal zones. Salmon, razor clams, berries, and salty sedge grasses are some of the key components in a coastal bear's diet. These food resources support dense populations of brown bears and allow some male bears to reach body weights exceeding 1,000 pounds. As ocean conditions change and human activities increase, collected scientific data and observations will help park managers make decisions that protect these unique and vital ecosystems. Join scientists as they research the connections between ocean-influenced ecosystems and the terrestrial creatures that depend on them.